Is your car shifting rough and lighting up the dash like a Christmas tree? You might be dealing with code P2750. This is a generic OBD2 diagnostic trouble code that stands for Intermediate Shaft Speed Sensor C Circuit Range or Performance. In an automatic transmission, the intermediate shaft helps transfer rotational power from the engine to the wheels. The engine control module and the transmission control module work together and use the intermediate shaft speed sensor to figure out exactly how fast this shaft is spinning. Based on that speed, the computer decides which gear you should be in and adjusts the internal hydraulic fluid pressures so your car shifts smoothly while driving down the highway. When the computer notices that the signals coming from the C speed sensor are totally out of the normal range, it triggers this code. You will usually start noticing symptoms right away. Your transmission might shift really hard, your engine speed could jump around erratically, and you might see multiple warning lights turn on, like the check engine light, traction control, or anti-lock brakes. The drivability of your car will definitely suffer. There are a few common reasons why this happens. The speed sensor itself could be broken or physically damaged. You could also have an electrical short or a broken wire somewhere between the sensor and the main computer. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as driving around with really dirty or low automatic transmission fluid. To fix this, always start by checking your transmission fluid level and condition. If the fluid smells burnt or looks black, you need to do a full transmission service with a new filter, gasket, and clean fluid. Next, try to locate the intermediate shaft speed sensor on the outside of the transmission housing. You might have to remove the air cleaner box to reach it under the hood. Unplug it, and check the wires for damage. If they look fine, remove the sensor and clean the pickup area with a rag and some brake cleaner. A lot of times, tiny metal shavings get stuck to the magnetic sensor and mess up the readings. If cleaning it does not work, you will need to use a multimeter to test the electrical values. If you have done the basic fluid checks and cleaned the sensor, but the car is still shifting badly, it is time to take it to a professional mechanic. Transmission problems can easily leave you stranded on the side of the road, so getting it properly diagnosed as soon as possible is your best bet to avoid a massive repair bill. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to tackle these transmission codes early to keep your ride shifting smoothly.